She's rough. Seen her in a while. What's up everybody, Irvine Garage here. Hope everyone is having a great day. Now I didn't plan on doing this video this soon, but today we're going to go and get an update on the Porsche 911 project. Now as some of you may know, I posted that first video in, I think it was January 25th of last year, so it still has been in the shop since that day, and don't blame the guy at all. I'm gonna go through and kind of explain everything after, but basically, it was in the shop for a year. He helped me find a new auto body guy, so we're going to go check out his shop and see what we're actually going to do with this Porsche. So let's go. Literally the only reason I bought it is because of the miles on it. Like it had, I think it's 18,000. Okay. So, she's rough. Seen her in a while.
Yeah, we'll try to save the battery.
Oh no, I see the battery's toast. It was what do you call it? No, it was reefer battery, right?
Yeah, we just got a reefer one.
Just a cheap one to get it running, and then I'm sure it's toast.
We don't need it right now.
There she is. What the hell is going on? Okay. Wow. Okay. Yeah, so the hood.
Where it's rolled here. This tray itself, because it's all part of it. It's all rolled. You see in here, it's all rolled. So
yeah, this one's rough. This one's
so
not.
If you want, you can look for a passenger fender in the meanwhile, see if you can locate one.
Yeah.
But that would be all that you need to look for this one. So I know the rebar, we have 2 of them.
So what about like tiny parts, like the actual crash bar, like
there is
like stuff like that?
The crash bar, we have one.
Okay, the mount and everything.
This they probably came off of this one.
Okay.
But we do have one.
Okay.
It's actually right on the side there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and there's the crushed wheel, and then, yeah, and I know one headlight works, but I'm not sure. I think that one works. I don't think the other one does.
Yeah, the small stuff like the radiator support, all of this stuff will, there's a bumper support, all of this will transfer over, of course. The latch, all that will go over. But, like I said, right now, the only thing that I would start looking for is a fender.
Yeah.
Because we're going to need that once we get the sheet metal section cut out and drilled out. We'll need the fender most likely to line up to make sure that that hood will be intact. Things and stuff. The edge is rolled, but it's right on the edge, so we should be able to body filler it back. You'll be alright.
I guess I thought it was a little rougher.
This you could probably find on eBay a couple dollars versus buying it new.
Oh yeah, that's where I got almost everything. Yeah. Well, yeah, because I was concerned you guys were going to have to go through the firewall.
I'm trying to
Because I didn't know how bad the rail is.
I'm trying to avoid it. The rail,
it's bad up to here.
Right, but normally this is not a section you splice a rail. You splice a rail at the firewall.
Exactly.
Or
the very end
section,
right? Yeah. But
usually not all the way up. So we'll try to hide it maybe below the tub, right over here, below it. We'll see though. If it comes out nice, then we may just move the whole unit right behind it, cut it, and then move the sheet metal that's here, move that entire section over. So then all you'll have is seam sealer around over here, and you won't even see it here. That's the idea, at least. The idea is for you not to be able to tell that it was fixed.
Yeah.
So.
All right. Well, you've definitely seen better days.
Once it gets going, it'll shape up pretty fast. So. Start looking for parts.
Okay. Well, thank you, man. Good to see you.
Nice meeting you. If you got any questions, give me a call.
Okay, so that was Satiz. Seems like a pretty good guy. Seems like he knows what he's doing. I'm kind of excited because I literally just got the work order. I'm gonna see if I can show you without getting too much. Okay, so what I got quoted was $3,764. So I already signed the work order. I want to get this thing moving, obviously, as soon as possible. I'm gonna give you guys the lowdown, obviously, once we get the Porsche at least done, or maybe I'm getting closer to getting it rebuilt. But like I said, I'm still going to show you guys the process and everything. I talked to Steve a lot about rebuilt cars because I did know quite a bit about like what to actually do with them once you get it rebuilt. But he kind of explained to me, because he's actually done it quite a few times, and the process can be a bit of a pain, like having like the exact VIN number from the part you bought from someone with their telephone and address and business and all this stuff. So it's going to be a little bit of a pain, but either way I'm going to have to figure it out. So the Porsche is officially in the shop being worked on. So it's actually going to move, and I think they're going to move pretty fast. He seems like he wants to get it out of the shop as soon as possible. So they're going to start working on it. They're going to start working on the frame, and then he's going to kind of update me. They're going to try and hide it as best they can while still making sure that the integrity of the frame rails is strong as it was from the factory, so that if it does get into another accident, it still would be able to hold. That is very important, obviously, when you're fixing the cars, especially if I plan on selling this to someone. I don't want to sell a car that, yes, it had damage, but I don't want to sell a car that would hurt someone, or even, you know, hurt me down the line because I decided to go through somebody shady and get it fixed cheap versus doing it right. So paying the higher toll, that's kind of what I expected from the beginning, somewhere in the range of that. I remember Wes telling me right around $3,000, so $3,700 to actually get this thing ready to go is not bad. He was saying I have to get one fender. He's thinking he can fix the hood and stuff and the bumper and everything, so I might just restore this as a 996. Comment down below if you guys think that I should actually do a 997 conversion and put a body kit on it and everything, but I'm not thinking I'm going to do that. So that's going to do it for this one. I'm just happy to actually have the Porsche in the shop. Sorry it's a little bit shorter of a video. You guys might have expected a bigger update, but that's the current condition of the Porsche. I'm just happy to finally have it in a shop with a work order, knowing that it's with somebody that really wants to get it done as soon as possible. So I'm hoping the next update video isn't going to be in 2020. I'm going to start working with Satiz on the parts. I'm going to update you guys as soon as I get any updates about the actual frame and everything. So he has a lot of the stuff he needs right now. All he's going to need is a fender. So as soon as he obviously needs that stuff, I might swing by the shop. Maybe I'll do a garage store if he's got anything cool. I think, what is that? A little S550 or something? I don't know. But, so the Porsche is officially in the shop. I'm happy about that. And that's going to be it for this one. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.